Hello, this is your screen recording for Saxon lesson 78 that we did today, Tuesday, February 23rd, 2021, in case you missed the lesson. This is one of the activity sheets that is hard to do on your own, so I'm going to go through that with you. So I'm going to go first to our letter Y room. We are working on the letter Y this week. I have shared these links on the dojo, so that if you want to go in and play with some of the games, read some of the stories from Starfall, feel free to go ahead and go in and do that. We did work on this right here today. This is our practice our phoneme segmentation. It will force you to make a copy of this, just so that the original one is not messed up or anything when you go in here. So that's just if you want some extra practice with what we did on our warm-up today. Our new increment for today, again, you can access this through the Bitmoji. So the lesson number, while we're waiting on this to load, is lesson 78. So the students will need 78. So this was yesterday, and here we go for 78. So you're going to see numbers 1 through 12 here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say number 1. I'm going to make a sound, and you're going to write the letter or letters that make that sound. Please remember that I am going to go faster on this video because you do have the ability to pause it in order to catch up. In class, I go slower to make sure that students are on the correct number that we're working on and have enough time to finish their answer. So if you're on blank paper, number your paper from 1 to 12. You're going to need 12 spaces for this. I am going to leave myself up too so you can see me, so that you can see the shape that my mouth is forming to make these sounds. So number 1, write the letter or letters, there are 2, that say k, k, k. Number 2, ul, ul, ul. Number 3, number 4, s, s, s. Number 5, g, g, g. Number 6, r, r, r. Number 7, n, n, n. Number 8, Number 9, f, f, f. Number 10, mm, mm, mm. Number 11, t, t, t. And number 12, b, b, b. Please make sure that you go through and circle all of your uppercase Y's. You see that line underneath that uppercase Y. We were talking in class today, with the lowercase y, we saw yesterday it drops below the baseline. But the uppercase Y stands on top of the baseline. So if this is your line, all right, your uppercase Y is going to stand on top where your lowercase y drops down below. So make sure you circle all of your uppercase Y's for the sound y, y, y. And then on the back, we're going to practice writing consonant, vowel, consonant words. So you can see I did a couple with the kids, and then I left it up to you to do the rest. So for the first one, we have log. So if I think about the sounds I hear in log, I hear l, og. So I hear l, l, o, a, g, g. And this is a fan. So I actually hear the sight word an, not and in the word fan. So we started off in class by writing an, which is the sight word and then we added that f, f sound to the beginning, which is f. So I'm going to say the other ones. You're going to take a moment to try to write them. I will sound them out just like I did in class. So this is a picture of a pig. So I hear p, ig, p, ig. This is a sun. Un. Now, I told the kids they could write cup or mug for this, either one. They're both CVC words. So if you're writing cup, k, p. And if you are writing cup, I hear these letters that make that k sound. So it might be helpful for you to go back to the letter we did last week, which was our letter E, and look at those spelling rules for K and for C, if the word is k, up. So I hear a U in the middle there. That tells me I'm probably going to use my C, right, instead of my K. Now, if you're doing mug, ugh, ugh. And finally, the last one is net, et, et. Let's try our sight words. I'll circle it, you say it, and then I'll say it and see if you were right. One, like the number one. Get. Help. 10. Into. So again, that was your lesson for Saxon 78. Please be sure to send me pictures of the back and the front.